Everyone. Today it has been a long time and we haven't seen you. Um, but today let's solve this hard problem from LeetCode. It's a regular expression matching. It's a very popular one. I've I've seen it from multiple platforms, and it has been in a lot of technical tutorials and articles. So let's solve it today. Actually, I completed this problem a few I think months ago, uh, and I struggled a lot on this one. And yesterday, when I tried it again, I found out that I cannot solve it. Yeah, I think I have recalled like 70% of this problem of the details, but actually those the rest of 30% uh, really pissed me off. So I solve it uh, after I have checked out the, 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 the optimal solution. Okay, so are we matching? So we need to match the pattern to the input string with the support of dot and asterisk. So dot matches any single character, and asterisk matches zero or more of the preceding element. Okay, the spot, the point is is on the asterisk because we need to match like zero and the more of the preceding element. It's not certain. Okay, so okay, so S could be empty and contains lowercase letters, and the P is the same, and two more with a dot and asterisk. Okay, so in this example, our pattern cannot represent this string, right? So we miss one here, and we missed one here, and in this pattern, A matches to A and asterisk matches multiple A's or no A's, right? Here, so A is here. So we return a true in this case, and this one, yeah. So this one can be a A, and this one can be a B, right? Because it's like multiple dots here, and it matches to A B here. Okay. Mm. So we just skip the last two examples. I get on coding. Uh, if if the pattern is empty, we just return. So if the pattern is empty and the string is empty, we just return true, right? If the string is not empty, that means we can't match them, so we just return false. In this case, we just use not s. Okay, so these two sentences are actually include multiple cases here, and then we need to. So the idea is like this. So first, we'll see if the first letter of the both pattern and text can match or not. This match means if you're the same letter or the letter or where the pattern here is a dot, right? So if you are in each case, that means a match, and then we'll just look for other cases. Uh, so if the remaining pattern, the length of it is greater or equal than 2, that means and the second one is asterisk. Uh, that means we got a lot more possibilities we can solve it. And else, if the second one is not asterisk, and the length or the length is smaller than 2, that means you only got 1. We'll just move our pointer from both S and P one after. Okay, so here if the so here we need to figure out if the first one, so if our this one is okay, so first we need to make sure you got your 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 string is not empty, right? So Boaz gives us answer, and if Boaz and as 0, no, yeah, and the P0, the pattern is either equals to S0 or it's just a dot here, right? So it's first match, and if our P0, sorry, if our length of pattern is greater or equal than 2, and our second equal to asterisk. In this case, we just return what? So in this case, we can just ignore the asterisk and the preceding one, because asterisk represents zero or more representation of the preceding character. And in this case, we just return self data is match our S and our P from the second onwards, right? Or what? Or we want a multiple match, right? We want a multiple match, or our length is greater than 1, and match. One character afterwards and the P, right? In this case, we match multiple letters, so we just skip the first one and go afterwards. And else, in other cases, we just return if the pattern is equal to the length of the pattern is only 1, or the second one is not asterisk, we just return our is match. So sorry, we need to make sure the first one is match, and you go afterwards. I think that's it. We have included all those cases. Let's take one into an example. Let's take this one. So P is not P, and we go to this. Not this one is true for AA, and P0, yeah, it's true. For we got the first match, and then the P is no, and we just return the first match, and it's match uh, going onwards. Our P is equal to false, and we just return uh, false here. So this one is true. Let's get onto this one. A, B, and it's not true, so we look at the second one. So it's a match. We just ignore this. Yeah, we can ignore this. S and P go to 2, and A star B, A star B, A B, and A star B, and still this one, and A star B. The second one is a star, so we can ignore, or we go to this one. That is plus equal to 1, and this match. So from 1 onwards, and match P. Yeah, it's true. So let's try to run it. Wrong answer. I think the problem is here. On what situation can we go with multiple? P from 2 onwards. For what? For first match. Do we need to match in this case? That's good. So in this case, we need to first match, and you go onwards. Yeah. Oh yeah, right. So star is is zero or multiple matching on the preceding character. So we need the first mesh to ensure this is valid. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Have a good weekend. Thank you.